Hello, this is Meshell Baker, Vision Mastery Strategist, and I'm here today with value tip number 3. And the word today is extraordinary. It's absolutely one of my favorite words because it's two words. It's extra and ordinary. And as I remind people, the difference between ordinary and extraordinary is just a little extra. It's the moment you get a nudge or a prompting or an idea to do something extra in the midst of possibly being fatigued or tired or done, right? And then you have a little voice or a little idea, a little nudge in your being that, oh, I could do that, or the term that we love to use is I should do that. And then you decide not to do it. What I ask myself on those moments is, with doing it, leave someone with the experience that they've had an excellent or extraordinary experience with Meshell? If the answer is yes, then I do the little extra. It's not an accident that I got the nudge or the idea or the prompting. So extraordinary is just doing the little extra in the moment in time when you would leave someone feeling an extraordinary experience. This is Meshell Baker, Vision Mastery Strategist. Have a wonderful, blessed day. And remember, you are blessed to be a blessing. Thanks so much.